Hi, my beautiful ladies in the house. Welcome back to another beautiful, stunning, stylish nail design. In today's video, we'll be showcasing this beautiful and amazing, top-notch, latest trending nail design for 2026. If today is your first time on seeing my video, guys, stay tuned because you are going to enjoy this video to the end. I have a lot of beautiful and stunning trending 2026 nail designs for you. So stay tuned and enjoy this video to the end. Show me the one you are going to style today. Put it down in the comment section, guys. Don't forget to share this video, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for more. If today is your first time of seeing my video, you're highly welcome to Dara Fashion Inspiration. In here, we showcase a lot of beautiful and amazing fashion styles all over the world. Any fashion at all, we showcase it here in this channel. We also we also share hairstyles, both tutorial on how to get a perfect braid hairstyles for beginners, and we also showcase nail design inspiration. So you are going to enjoy a lot of goodies in this channel. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you get notified anytime we post a new video, guys. Thank you very much once again. Enjoy this video to the end and show me the one you are going to try in the comment section. All this nail design here, they all look perfect, they all look beautiful and stylish at the same time. So enjoy the video, guys. Bye.